Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do a hard reset on all iPhone 14 devices. So I've just got the standard iPhone 14 model here, but this will also work for the Pros, the Pro Maxes, and also the Max versions of the iPhone 14. So this is a really great thing to do if you're encountering any kind of temporary issues, whether that's sound, Wi-Fi, glitches on apps, whatever it might be. This is a really great first step to try and fix those issues. So the first thing that we have to do, or I'll kind of walk you through the process rather on what to do, is that you first have to press on the volume up button really quickly, volume down, and then press and hold onto the power button. So I'll just go and do that now in real time. So volume up, volume down, and now I'm going to press and hold onto the power button, and I'm going to continue and press just this button. And if I just give it a few moments, the iPhone screen will now go black. And if I give it another kind of 15 to 20 seconds while continuing to hold onto the power button, the iPhone logo will now come up. And once that comes up, I can let go of the power button, and this will go and start the hard reset process on the iPhone 14 device. Now, the really good thing about this is that you will not lose any information on your iPhone. All your photos, your apps, your contacts, they will still all be on here. So if I open my phone, as you can see, everything was as it was, everything's still on the iPhone. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully this kind of helps you to fix any temporary issues you have on your iPhone 14 device. And as you can see, this is a really easy process to do. So as always, thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you all in the next one.